Hi guys, today we're going to do beginning sounds. We have the letter B. This is a lowercase b, and this is an uppercase. Sometimes we call them capitals. Uppercase, lowercase. Then we have the letter C. This is a lowercase c, and it looks a lot like the uppercase C. We're going to do the lowercase today because most of our words are written in lowercase letters. So that's the most important letters to learn. So I have some cards here, and we're going to decide today whether the picture of the word starts with a B sound or a K sound. So right here I have a picture of a bear. Bear starts like B, B, B. Say it bear. I'm going to put it by the B. I have a picture now of a L, bell, and the word bell starts with a B, bell, B. Put it over with the B. I have a picture here of a cow, cow, and the word cow starts with, you got it, C, cow. I'm going to put it with the C. Here's another card. It has a picture of a car, car. I think you got it. It starts with a C, car, car. I'll put it over with the C. Here's a picture of a box. Box starts with a B, box. Put it with the B's. Here is a picture of a cake. Cake. Yep, it starts with a C, cake. Here's a picture of a cat. Cat. Starts with a K, at. This is one of our rhyming ad words. K, at, cat. Starts with a C. And the last one is a picture of a bat. Bat. Yep, the word bat starts with a B, bat. That is all for today. Tomorrow we will be doing D and F. Have a great day.